Okay, this is a follow-up video to my Dead Black & Decker toaster oven video that I just uploaded, and let me show you what's the problem here. As you can see, it looks kind of melted. Alright, there's a little bit brown right there. I'll get you in closer so you can see it better. Oh yeah, that would cause some problems. And as you can see, I tried to open it up. I succeeded, but there's a little ball bearing in there that is in there, and it just comes out. But I was able to get it back in. But yeah, 10 amps, 250 volts AC, 16 amps, 125 volts AC. And you get some sort of number. I wish I could get that, but I can't. Whatever, it's not important. So there is the problem right there, this switch thing. And this goes right in the top there. See? Goes right in the top. It connects, this white thing right here goes right through it. And then that also connects to this switch here. And then that was the problem. This switch was the problem. So there, if I had a new one of these, I could fix this thing right away. But I don't. So I guess it's time to part it. And I also took up this thing. One of the dingers. I don't know what I can do with that. Maybe a timer for a light or something. But yeah, that's it. There's the problem. Right there. See, that right there distorted the inside, and then it just stopped working. I just had to mess with that connector, with the knob. All I was doing was cooking a burger. Well, whatever. It's dead. Time for a new one. You know what to do later.